Hi guys, in this video we'll be discussing about SBI PO exam pattern. So it will be conducted in three phases. First one will be prelims, and then mains, and then group discussion and personal interview. So prelims will be for 100 marks, and mains will be for 250 marks, and group discussion and personal interview will be for 50 marks. So in the prelims paper, there will be three sections: English language section, quantitative aptitude section, and reasoning ability section. So 30 number of questions will be given from English language section for 30 marks, and the duration is 20 minutes. And 35 number of questions will be given from quantitative aptitude section for 35 marks, and the duration is 20 minutes. And 35 number of questions will be given from reasoning ability section for 35 marks, and 20 minutes is the duration. So totally you will be given 100 number of questions for 100 marks, and the duration is 1 hour. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. So we need to solve 100 number of questions in 60 minutes. So if you divide 100 by 60, that will give you the number of questions that you need to solve in 1 minute. So 100 by 60 will be 1.6. So 1.6 means in 1 minute you need to solve one complete question, and you need to solve 60% of the other question. So that is what 1.6 means. So we need to be that much faster while solving the questions. So remember, there will be no sectional cutoff, there will be overall cutoff, and there is negative marking system. So for every incorrect answer, you will be penalized with 0.25 marks. Coming to mains will be having objective test and descriptive test. Objective test will be for 200 marks, and descriptive test will be for 50 marks. So totally 250 marks. So in the objective test of mains, you will be having 4 sections, and the sections are reasoning and computer aptitude section, banking awareness section, English language section, and data analysis and interpretation section. So 45 number of questions will be asked from reasoning and computer aptitude section for 60 marks, and the duration is 60 minutes. And 40 number of questions will be asked from banking awareness for 40 marks, and the duration is 35 minutes. And 35 number of questions will be asked from English language section for 40 marks, and 40 minutes is the duration. And 35 number of questions will be asked from data analysis and interpretation for 60 marks, and 45 minutes is the duration. And there is descriptive test, letter writing and essay. So 2 questions will be asked, and 50 marks will be allotted, and 30 minutes is the duration. So totally 157 questions, 250 marks, 3.5 hours. So for mains also, there will be no sectional cutoff, there will be overall cutoff. So for every incorrect multiple choice question, you will be penalized with 2.5 marks. So remember, the descriptive paper, which is of 50 marks, is compulsory to attempt. So here you need to understand that if you qualify prelims, then you will be allowed to write the mains. And in the mains, you have objective test and descriptive test. Descriptive paper will be corrected only if you meet the criteria of objective test, which means you need to get the qualifying marks of objective test. Then only the descriptive paper will be corrected. So as we said before, prelims will not be considered for the selection process. Prelims is meant for filtering the non-serious candidates. So all the serious candidates will be entering into mains. So the marks that you got in mains is very crucial, because these are counted for selection process. So the marks that you got in mains will be out of 250. So that marks will be converted to out of 75. And the marks for group discussion and personal interview will be for 50 marks. And the marks that you got out of 50 marks will be converted to out of 25 marks. Previously, the marks you got for 250 will be converted to out of 75, and the marks you got for 50, which is for personal interview and group discussion, will be converted to out of 25. So the aggregate score will be out of 100. So based on the merit score, you will be select. So this is how the exam pattern of SBI PO will be. Okay, thank you.